Hi guys, welcome to my Sunday vlog where I'll be trying a new recipe that's green Thai curry. All you need is that instant paste and the veggies. Any veggies of your choice is okay. In a pan, add oil, all your veggies, stir fry it on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not add salt. You can add black pepper if you want, but do not add salt as it will make them more watery. Half cook them and take it aside. The same pan, add oil again and coconut milk. You can bring the store bought one, you can make it at home, add the instant kind, anyone is fine. It does not really matter. Then add the green paste, which is the instant one, and bring it to a boil. It will take like 3 to 4 minutes. When it comes to a boil, add all your veggies. Now at this stage, you need to add black pepper, salt, and spices if you want, like the ginger garlic paste. Soy sauce a must. If you're non-vegetarian, you can add the fish sauce. Sugar is also necessary, and do not forget basil leaves. It's not necessary, but they give a nice taste. Put the chilies at the end. Do not put them in the start. And then you can read the pack instructions. It also has that. And then that's it. Your green Thai curry is ready, and it tastes perfect, restaurant style, really great.